Interestingly, the protest by the CM on the streets continued even despite the fact that the Delhi Assembly was to hold its first sitting of the winter session on Monday, that is January 16th. While it was expected that the assembly would be discussing various issues of importance to the public, such as air pollution, the Delhi GST Amendment Bill of 2023, the session was stalled with the CM himself busy protesting on Delhi streets. While the leader of opposition R.S. Baduri from the Bharatiya Janata Party was pressing that the assembly should convene for at least 10 days, the session was to tentatively take place on 3 days only, that is January 16th, 17th, and 18th. And even out of those 3 days, the first day was stalled, with the CM himself protesting on the streets, along with his other party members. Members of the Bharatiya Janata Party had also arrived for the first day of the winter session carrying oxygen cylinders as a mark of protest against the record levels of air pollution in the city and lack of steps by the Aam Aadmi Party government in this regard. It is important to mention here that in 2021, the Delhi Assembly met for less than even 10 days, according to an independent research institute based out of New Delhi itself.